Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the appearance package, a navigation system, a remote start feature, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, dual cargo area lights, variable valve timing, a chrome grille, tinted glass, OnStar, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, and this vehicle has fewer than 32,000 miles on the odometer. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.